Hey, how you doing? This is Mike, Innovative Garage Door here, and this is a hit garage door. I'm going to come over here. You can see here this thing's been smashed pretty good. Right in here, right up there. Okay. We're going to get them some new panels, and then obviously you can see this weather stripping is just garbage. We're going to replace that. That's all wasted. So we got some bad weather strip. And we're going to put a second strut on this door too. It needs it. You can see right here that this thing is in bad shape. You got busted hinges all over the place. Here's another busted hinge. There's another busted hinge. This one's going to break. So we're going to get some new hinges in here and another strut, and this door is going to work like brand new. You can see what happens when it gets hit like this. It just concaves. It's very hard to close. So thanks for watching our broken hit garage door. Yeah. So for all your needs, call us up at 630-271-9343 or 673-0007. Thank you for watching our hit garage door video. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com or visit us in person at 650 Ogden Avenue in Downers Grove. Thanks, man. Happy New Year.